Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to reduce photo size. Let's get it started. First you should select photo which you want to reduce file size and right click here and open with pen tool. You should go this option resize and you can reduce using with percentage or pixel. I am going to using a pixel. For reduce image size you should reduce its pixel. I made this 500 pixel and okay, then control S or save it. I'm going to save here. Now size is 291 KB. On tips for mobile user, you can send photo your friends using messenger. After send you can save this picture your phone and result is your file size will be reduced. Thank you.